tuwing Boracay Adventure, isa sa hindi malilimutang experience ay ang pakikipag-bonding natin kasama ang mga Rotarian delegates. Sa barko pa lamang, excited na ang mga Rotarian sa kanilang paglalakbay. Enjoy talaga ang mga participants sa nasabing convention sa mga activities na inihanda ng kanilang organizer. May dance number at kabi-kabila ang pagpapakuha ng litrato. Ipinakilala isa-isa ang mga district governor-elect. Naging paksa sa nasabing conference ang pagpapalawak ng kanilang educational program. Sa pagtutulungan, may isa sa katuparan ang magandang adhikain ng Philippine Rotary Club para sa edukasyon ng bawat Pilipino na hindi nakapag-aral. Ang mga batang nasa kalsada na maibalik sa paaralan.
For this year, our theme is Building Communities, Reaching Continents. You know, Rotary is a service organization and we would really love to build communities. And I'm so happy for this year. There are lots of projects that we did that really help our poor communities, like this Light in a Bottle project, which really helped a lot of poor families. So this is one of the very beautiful projects that we did for this year. When I decided which is the best place to hold our district conference, my decision was really to do it here in Boracay, because I love this place. Every year I go to this place and I would like to promote local tourism. They brought their spouses, their kids. That's why we have a very good number of Rotarians here in Boracay.
Sa aming pagbabalik, ang pakikipagpanayam ni March kay Mr. Urs, isang businessman mula sa Switzerland.
Experience fun and bonding moments with your family and friends at Maharlika Bamboo Guest House sa Riayat,